make like a 3D line tunnel thingy. So we click on like the pen tool, and then we click on it, and then just drag it. Oh wait, click one time and then click the other, and then set your stroke width. I'll do like 8, and then like expand it like a bunch, so maybe like this much, and then I'll just make a very long line, and then you're just gonna want to duplicate like a bunch of these, so I'll do like 5, and then you want to click the 3D, and then just like adjust the rotation, just like the zoom, so I'm gonna put this like far out, and then I'll like move it this way. Okay, so I got like the lines, and I'm just gonna add a text, so I'll just have it as my username, and then align it. You have to align it when it's in 2D, and then when it's in 2D, if it's in 2D, just click 3D once it's like aligned, and then we're just gonna set that like, we'll do like minus 1300. There we go. Oh wait, no, you want to do 1300 because I don't know why it does that, but and you're gonna get your null. So null object. And just get all the layers, and you can select all of them, and then just do parent to the null, and then set your null, and then we'll go to make your null 3D, and then the position, and then we'll do like 1300. I know, negative 1300. And then we'll zoom it in there. Okay. So make sure when you're changing like the rotation, you don't do orientation, you actually do Z like rotation. And then what you do is you just keyframes, and then just change this one to 1, and then just select all the keyframes, and then press F9, and then go to your graphs, and then you can just ease them more. So you can just add motion blur to everything, so just click all these and I'll make it a little bit better, and then check all the frames again. Alright, we're good. That's it.